Lift installation. First, lock the wheel, then begin to assemble the bottom. Match the two holes on each of left and right side, and tighten the screws. Secondly, stand the lifter. Insert two beams into holes, and assemble the lift forks onto the ends of beams. Reassemble the methods of lift forks. First method, default position. Second method, 60 cm higher than the default position. Third method, 90 cm higher than the default position. Trial run of lifter. Turn the power on and then turn the switch on at the right side of remote control. Single press on the start button. The green light flashes. Long press on up or down button. The forks go up or down until releasing the button. The lift forks go up with the up limit because of the limit switch and the mechanical protection, and go down until same level of bottom as the lower limit.